Okay. Yeah. Coach. The captain will give her like captain and maybe you're right? No,
Are you new to the team? You didn't come, you were there. Okay. Congratulations.
Everyone, there she goes. Please, a round of applause as she receives yet another gift again. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Let's go to Congratulations, good to see you again a second time. And here's for you first. And then let's see the cup. Who is the second person coming?
Is the coach.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so. Thank you so much.
I'm just here. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. We'll take our seats. For you presenting him. Thank you. As we draw the curtains for this event, may we take the national anthem once more. Okay, just a second. Thank you. This is it. A symbol of nationality, a symbol of pride, a symbol of collectivism, and of course, it is just what miracle performing president, ably here represented by the Vice President, is about to speak to us. Are we ready? Are we ready? If we are ready. Yes. Thank you so much, Mr. President. Thank you so much. Thank you. As we conclude this event, the only ambassadors of this great nation in a place of excellence, we have once again reminded us of the promise of thought in a nation this diverse. This victory is what happens when we work together. You have not only brought home a trophy, you have brought home lessons for all of us. It is therefore an ultimate honor and pleasure on behalf of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu GCFR to welcome you to the State House, our formidable women's national basketball team, the Tigers. We are continental champions once more, and now the first African team to qualify for the 2026 FIBA Women's World Cup qualifying tournament. You have conquered Africa and opened the door to global greatness. Your emphatic victory over Mali with a final score of 78 to 64 is a declaration not only of your tactical superiority, but of your readiness to dazzle the world. And I assure you that you are going forth with the blessings and support of the entire nation. My dear daughters, you fought back from behind in the first quarter, not with panic, but with poise. You wore the green and white, not just as colors, but as a symbol of conviction and hope. And now, you wear this crown as Queens of African basketball for the 5th consecutive time. To Coach Wena Wakama, you represent the evolution of leadership in Nigerian sports. Your quiet strength and historic achievements have shattered ceilings and inspired countless young girls nationwide who now know that no dream is too bold for a Nigerian woman. Indeed, you deserve your award as the best coach in Africa and the world. To Ami Okonkwo, the tournament's most valuable player, and Eji Nyekalu, the top scorer in the final, your brilliance elevated the entire team. But most importantly, you do not play for yourselves. You played for and won with Nigeria. Let me take a moment to reflect on a greater truth. Nigerian women have never failed the nation in sport. From the Super Falcons standing tall on the world stage, to our athletes breaking record on the track, and Tigers building a basketball dynasty, our women have consistently made us proud. They have shown the world that when opportunity meets preparation, Nigerian excellence is inevitable. We owe you not just applause for decisive action. That is why, under this administration, we are repositioning sport as a key pillar of our national development strategy and economic drive. Sport is not merely entertainment, it is infrastructure, it is education, it is diplomacy. It is a powerful tool for youth employment, economic transformation, and global engagement. On behalf of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, I want to extend special appreciation to the National Sports Commission under the leadership of Malam Shehu. The Commission's renewed focus on athlete welfare, institutional reform, grassroots support, and performance-based development is already yielding results. Let this be a signal that we are on the right path. I'm very proud of you. I also commend the Nigerian Basketball Federation, led by a former basketballer, Malam Ahmadu Musa Kida, who also serves as the chairman of the NNPC Limited, for his consistency in team development, strategic planning, and sacrifices for Nigeria's glory. Malam Ahmadu is personally known to me, and I have known the resources, his personal resources that he has invested in the development of basketball in this our great nation. Malam Musa, we are most grateful. I congratulate and honor you on behalf of the government and the people of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. As a government, will ensure that tigers and their technical crew are adequately recognized and rewarded, as well as the leadership of sports in Nigeria for their service to the nation. You have made us proud, and we will stand by you as you prepare for the global stage. To all our young people watching today, let the story of the tigers remind you that greatness is a product of hard work, discipline, and belief. There's a video circulation of the middle-aged women that are being pushed to go to the football field. Nigeria belongs to those who dare to dream and are willing to give their best to make those dreams a reality. To the Tigers, you are champions. You are role models. You are pathfinders. You are true daughters of the land. It is my singular honor and pleasure and privilege to cherish forever to make the following pronouncements on behalf of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Well, am I allowed to continue? OON National Honors for Team. OON National Honors for Team, Coach and Technical Team. $100,000 for each player. Over. Yeah, all the good is on. $50,000 for coach and technical team this moment. And wait for the final icing on the cake. One flag is for players, coach and technical team. Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, this is leadership. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has shown leadership by recognizing and rewarding our daughters who have excelled on the continental stage. May God bless all. May God bless Nigerian sports. May God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you all. Thank you so much. Deep sense of pride and joy that I welcome home our fierce the Tigers national basketball team after your historic 5th consecutive victory at the FIBA Women's AfroBasket 2025. This victory is not just a win on the court, it is a resounding statement of hard work, excellence, and national pride. This is a moment that will forever inspire generations of Nigerian girls and women to dream big, boldly, and pursue greatness. It is a clear indication that hard work and teamwork is what it takes to succeed. I celebrate you not only as athletes, but as ambassadors of sports of a great nation. Your victory comes, you agree, baby? Your victory comes at a time when Nigeria is basking in the glory of sporting excellence, following the Super Falcon recent victory. And you see, we haven't really gotten over that, and then this one, but we are so glad we are able to also celebrate you as well. You have given us another reason to believe in the power of Nigerian women to break barriers and set new records. I say well done to you all. To the technical team, including Coach Rina Wakama, your leadership and tutelage has paid off, and I still owe you your bouquet. Okay? To all our remarkable players, your performance is highly commendable. You embody courage and commitment. I pray your journey in life continue to be filled with success and light on the path for many more victories to come. Once again, I say congratulations. But before I take my leave, I wanted to share the inspiring story of Dr. Sarah Goke, one of your players, who is a full-time surgeon. Where is she? Who got certified last year, and she also had a baby last year. Congratulations, and that's the baby. I know. And when I said the ambassadors of such, she quickly agreed. Congratulations. And you remember when we hosted you last year, myself and the wife of the vice president, you were such a very adorable team. And what really stood out for you was, you can see then both of us were just planning to host. We said we have to celebrate you. And that was after the Super Falcons. But you all showed up. And you see that you're showing up that time, you know, gave you a seat at the table before Mr. President this time around. So I'm so happy and glad that you are here. God bless the wonderful the Tigers national basketball team. God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Welcome home.
Thanks, and existing protocol. Good evening, everyone. I just want to say on behalf of the Tigers that we are so thankful to be here today. I'm thankful that we get to represent our country. We're thankful to be able to continue our excellence in our sport, the gift that God gave us. It means the world to us to be able to be hosted here today and to be able to represent our country in this way, to bring back another championship, to be able to inspire young women, young girls around the world, that they can one day to be in our shoes. And I give thanks to every one of our staff, DM, coach, Ugo, doctors, SEC, president, chairman, everybody. We thank you all for your support and your continuing support in lifting us higher, because I don't think the sky is our limit. I think we can go beyond and we can break barriers. Thank you.
Overjoyed, I stood here last Monday with pride and profound joy to celebrate yet another glorious chapter in the history of Nigerian sports, courtesy of the exceptional women basketball national team, the Tigers. Barely 1 week ago, we stood here in this very hall, Your Excellency, to present you our gallant Super Falcons, one of African finest national teams. And today, we return with the Tigers, our incredible women's national basketball team, who just clinched their 5th consecutive and 7th overall FIBA Women AfroBasket title, following a dominant 78-64 victory over Mali in Abidjan yesterday night. Indeed, this is a remarkable and defining moment for Nigerian sports, and more so for Nigerian women in sports. From the football pitch to the basketball court, they have continued to lead from the front, lift our spirits, and raise our national profile with consistent performances and undiluted patriotism. They remind us that when Nigerian women step onto the global stage, They do not just compete, they conquer. Sunday's victory was significant not only for the title itself, but for what it represents. With this latest Nigeria became the first African team to qualify for the 2026 FIFA Women's World Cup. We also extended our astonishing 29-game unbeaten streak in Afrobasket dating back ages, almost 10 years today. A run of excellence that is unmatched in the history of African basketball. Credit must go to the players and coaching staff, especially Coach Rena Wakama, whose leadership has rewritten the narrative for women in coaching across Africa. Our historic back-to-back championship wins in 2023 and now 2025 are setting the pace and shattering glass ceilings. After her emergence as the best coach in Africa and the world at the last Olympics, gives credence to what proper and structured domestic development could deliver, because it's part of our domestic development to achieve this level. We must also recognize Amy Okonkwo, named most valuable player of the tournament, and Izen Ekalu, whose top-scoring performances in the final seal our dominance, and indeed the entire team. As you know, it is a collective team effort. Everybody contributed their bit to get this done. Your Excellency, these victories are not by chance. They are a product of intentional investment, leadership, and resilience of our athletes in spite of any difficulties. But while we celebrate this achievement, we are also keeping our eyes on the ball and building for the future, so that this success is not just hypothetical, but institutional. Only weeks ago, in alignment with the vision of the NSC, Nigeria successfully hosted the Confederation of African Athletics Under-18, Under-20 Championship in Abeokuta, with over 45 countries participating, a clear testament to our capacity to drive continental development in youth sports. At present, we currently have 100 young athletes currently participating at the inaugural Africa Youth Games in Algeria, and the delegation is ably led by the NSC Director General Bukola Alapade to underpin the seriousness that we take our youth development. Just a few weeks ago also, our under-19 female basketball team went to Czech Republic to participate in the under-19 World Cup, thereby gaining vital experience in the highest level. At the same time today, our university athletes are currently flying our flag in Germany at the World University Games. All aim at building the future of what we are trying to follow today. These are not isolated efforts. They are part of deliberate structured strategy under Your Excellency, to build a sustainable sports ecosystem that empowers youth, enhances our global competitiveness, and aligns with the Nigerian broader developmental goals. We are committed to deepening the reforms, strengthening the institutions, and unlocking immense potential of our sports sector. We are committed to deepening reforms, strengthening institutions, and unlocking immense potential of our sports sector, because every young boy or girl in Nigeria deserves a fair shot at becoming the next Izen Ekalu, the next Azizan Ashola, the next Toby Amusan, the next Victor Osimhen. Your Excellency, I thank you once again for your unwavering support, which has been instrumental in repositioning Nigerian sports on the global map. With your continued guidance, we are confident that the best is yet to come. I thank our dear First Lady, Senator Oluremi Tinubu, for all the support at all times. You have stood by us and always got our back. Likewise, our female ministers for standing by our teams, and indeed our ministers have been contributing immensely to our success. To the graduates, we say thank you. You have inspired a nation and made us proud. You have once again reminded us that greatness is not given, it is earned through hard work, belief, and unity. I must commend the NBBF under the able leadership of Malam Ahmadu Musakida for all the sacrifices and passion in pushing our basketball forward. I must also thank our partners and individual supporters who have been supporting the activities of the National Sports Commission and our national teams. Several of them have come through for us, including even the people that always make their players available to get the team and to get our delegation to go for the games without making their names known to the public, because they are doing it for the good of this country. In conclusion, let me put it on notice, Your Excellency, sir, that in the next 2 weeks, the national men's basketball team, the Tigers, will be commencing their own men's Afro Basket Championship in Angola, and we hope to present them to you after the tournament with another trophy, God willing. Long live the Federal Republic of Nigeria, long live Nigerian sports, and thank you and God bless.
Why don't you go to the table?
Madam, please now.
Are you good?
Yes, I'm good.
Okay. You're good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Are we all good? Thank you very much, Your Excellency.
Thank you.